Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we're going to talk about classes in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. Classes are the ES6 features that provide a structured and clear way to work with objects compared to the traditional constructor function. Classes are more useful in our future video that we are going to learn, for example, by using the static keyword, encapsulation, inheritance, and many other steps that we are going to learn in this course. For creating a class, first we are going to type class. After that we are going to pass a name for our class. So I'm going to pass products. That's it. And also class have the constructor method, and this constructor has their own parameters. So this one will be name separated with a comma and price. So I'm going to say this name is equal to name and this price is equal to price. Alright, so outside this constructor I'm going to create another method. So the method is going to be display, let's say display. Also let me, there we go. So here I'm going to use the console. So the console, this one will display for us a simple text, the product price with their name. So this one will be name. So instead of using the name, I'm going to say product. So this one will be product, and outside this column, inside the column, I'm going to use the placeholder. So this dot name, and also I'm going to create another one. So this one will be price, and also I'm going to use the placeholder and the dollar sign. So this one is price. Alright, and next, instead of this single column, instead of column we are going to use the key at the top of the tab key. So we're going to remove this, the second one also. Here we go. So now let's create an object of this outside the class. Here I'm going to say const will be product1 is equal to new product. So the constructor will be automatically called when we create an object, but we need to pass the prototype. The product will be shirt and the price is going to be 1.5. Just to make sure that whether it works or not, here we're going to call the first product. So I'm going to say product1 dot display. Here we go. Now let's save this. Let's right click, come to the inspect and come to the console. Here we go. The product is a shirt and the price is $190.55. And we also can create another object of this. You can create a multiple object as you want. Product, this one will be product2 equal to new products. So this product will be shoes, and the shoes is going to be $50.55. These shoes are really expensive and really good shoes. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to call the second product 2, and here we go, the second product is also called. And you can create another product, another object, const product 3, and go to new products, excuse me, and this product is going to be, say, gloves. I hope I didn't make any mistake in the spelling. So these gloves are $150. These are really expensive gloves, guys, and really good gloves. You can use this. And let's call the product 3. Here we go. Second product is also called. So this is the way. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create another method for displaying a total with a text. So now let's do this. So as you can see here, we have created a class and create a constructor and created passed the two parameters. First one is a name, the name of the product, and the price of the product. Then we have created the method to display these products with the prices, and here you can see we have created an object, and at the end we are going to display this. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create another method for displaying a total with including text. So now let's do this. For adding this decimal points as well, you can use the .toFix method, and here we're going to pass 2, and when we save this, here you can see the 2 decimal point is also added. You can do this if the decimal point is not displayed for you. So now let's create another method here. So this one will be calculate total, and this calculate total has one parameter which is going to be sales tax. Alright, and here we're going to use the return type. So return will be this dot price plus, here we're going to use inside the parentheses, so this dot price time sales tax. Alright, and now let's create another another variable, and this variable is const sales text. So the sales text, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here, is equal to 0.05. So this one will be the text of the the product. And now after that, here I'm going to create another variable. So const total is equal to product 1, let's add the product, and dot calculate total, and inside the parentheses I'm going to either use the number of the text, which is 0.05, and or you can also use the variable for this. Alright, that's it. And now let's print this console, and I'm going to use the template string here, and I'm going to print the text total amount, or we can say with let's add this in a parenthesis with text, and it will be here. I'm going to use the placeholder. So here I'm going to use the placeholder and also the $sign, and here I'm going to pass total. I'm going to pass the total and also the total fixed for adding 2 decimal point. So that's it. When we save this, here you can see the, let me change, also let's add 1, and when I save this, here you can see the product is shirt, the price is $90.55, and the total amount with tax is 20. And let me use the second product and also do this. Now when I save this, here you can see the product is shoes, the price is $50.55, and the total amount with text is 53.08. And also you can use the third one, and when I save this, here you can see the product is gloves, 150, the total amount with text is 157. So that's it. Hope you understand the use of the class. Classes are more useful in our future tutorials, so make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.